how to find the perfect entry into a stock. But first, why? Why do we have to find an entry? Why can't we just find a good company and buy their stock? I want y'all to think of it like this. You want to hop on a bus, and this bus is going to take you to Money Town, baby. Uh-oh, the bus has already left the stop. So you run as fast as you can, and you try to jump on the side while it's moving, and you get ran the frick over. Try number 2. To avoid that same mistake, you show up early to the bus stop, but you don't see your bus in sight. 7 months go by. Other buses come and go with excited people making money on each one, but yours doesn't show up. Try number 3. You wait until you see a bus on its way, then you go down to the bus station and safely get on right as it is about to leave the station, wasting no time. You, sir, are on your way to making millions. Now, this is a stupid illustration, but so many traders get it wrong. This is why you need to have the perfect entry, because timing is everything. Like the first scenario, buying a stock that's moving too fast is too risky. Your risk versus reward is so skewed. You might get lucky once or twice, but over time you're going to bleed money. Scenario 2 is the trap of the masses. Let me ask you an honest question. Investing into Microsoft in the year 2000 sounds like a fire investment, right? Wrong. Your money was dead for about 15 years. It didn't make new highs for a decade and a half. This is what average investors don't understand. Timing is more important than having the right stock. And number 3 will be us by the end of this video if we pay attention. We confirm that a stock is already moving, then we wait patiently for it to calm down and give us a low risk entry so we can get on the bus safely. Then we ride that sucker to Money Town. If we understand this, we'll make millions. So how exactly do we do that? Step 1, we want to make sure the stock is moving, not just hoping that it will. We do this by finding a stock that's made 70 to 100% plus move in the past few months and are ideally close to making new 52-week highs. You can find these stocks by scanning for them, video in description. Step 2, now we need to find a low risk spot to get in on these fast moving stocks. We do this by watching for stocks to build a range, surf moving averages, and then have 2 or more tight days. Guys, this is the sauce. This is how we're gonna make millions. You see, this tightness gives us such an advantage. Now we can risk a little to gain a lot. Step 3, the entry. Remember, we want to buy stocks that are moving, not hoping to. So when the stock clearly breaks out of the range you've identified, it's time to buy. Set your time frame to the 5-minute chart. Once a candle has finished outside of the range you have set, very important, then we have to set an alert right above it. This is called an opening range high. You can do this on multiple time frames, but if you're a beginner, just stick to the 5-minute chart for now. If the stock can break through this opening range high, we buy without hesitation. And then, extremely important, set your stop loss on the low of that day. You now have a great entry with low risk. And I want y'all to understand that you will get stopped out a lot. It doesn't matter. You must come to love your stop losses. And don't forget, Chris made over 900% returns in 2020 with around a 30% win rate. Absolutely crazy. I hope this helped y'all a little bit. Video on the perfect exit coming soon, so subscribe to see it.